Welcome to the best picks. The best folding table is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can own. Whether you're planning a family get-together, setting up a small business event, or simply need an extra surface, this table offers a practical solution. Its compact size makes it ideal for various spaces, while its folding design ensures easy storage and portability. Join me as we dive into the features and benefits of this fantastic table. Number 5. Flash Furniture Madelyn Folding Card Table. This versatile card table is perfect for any occasion. It's great for family gatherings, game nights, or even business events. It's a convenient solution for all your needs. Gather your friends and family for a fun game night. This table is the perfect size for card games or puzzles. It provides a comfortable space for everyone to enjoy themselves. The vinyl-covered padded tabletop keeps cards from sliding. This feature enhances your gaming experience. You can focus on the game without worrying about disruptions. The lightweight design and folding legs make it easy to move and store. It is designed for easy movement or compact storage after use. This table is designed for your convenience. This table comfortably accommodates up to 4 players. It measures 33.5 inches square and requires no assembly. It's ready to use right out of the box. What we like? This table features a padded vinyl top, perfect for preventing cards from sliding during intense game nights. Its portable design and seating for up to 4 players make it ideal for small gatherings. If you enjoy hosting game nights or need a versatile table for family fun, this is a great choice. What people say. The table is sturdy and easy to fold and unfold. It is a great size for a small space and can be used for various activities. The table is easy to clean and maintain. Number 4. Best Choice Products 4 Feet Folding Table, Black. This table features a strong, easy-to-clean surface. It's made with dense plastic that's up to 17% thicker than other brands and can hold up to 300 pounds. It's perfect for any event. This versatile table is great for both indoor and outdoor events. Use it as a dining table for cookouts or parties, or as a serving table for indoor gatherings. The possibilities are endless. The table is built to last with powder-coated steel legs, frame joint locks, and non-slip rubber feet. These features ensure the table stays in place, providing a stable surface for all your needs. It's designed for easy transport and storage. The foldable design includes a side lock and handle, making it simple to take with you or store away when not in use. It's convenience at its finest. This table is ready to use right out of the box. Simply unfold it, lock the legs, and it's ready to go. You'll be enjoying its convenience in no time. What we like? This table boasts a heavy-duty tabletop, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The easy-to-clean surface is a huge plus for any event. If you are looking for a durable and versatile table for parties, picnics, or everyday use, this one is a winner. What people say. The table is sturdy and easy to fold and unfold. It is a great size for a small space and can be used for various purposes. The table is easy to clean and maintain. Number 3. Meco Stakmore Oak Folding Card Table. This table is crafted from high-quality solid wood. It ensures long-lasting durability and a timeless aesthetic appeal. The straight-edge design adds a touch of elegance to any space. It enhances the ambience of your home decor. It folds to a mere 3.375 inches deep. This allows for convenient storage in closets, under beds, or against walls when not in use. You can enjoy immediate use without the hassle of assembly. This allows you to focus on your gatherings and games. When open, it measures 29.5 inches in height, 32 inches in width, and 32 inches in depth. When folded, it's only 3.375 inches deep, making it compact for easy storage. What we like? This table is crafted from solid wood, offering both durability and a classic aesthetic. Its easy storage feature allows you to keep your space tidy when not in use. If you appreciate timeless design and need a table that's easy to store, this is the perfect option. What people say. The beautiful natural wood finish adds a touch of warmth and elegance to any room. One of the standout features is the ingenious folding mechanism. The legs tuck away neatly and securely, making storage a breeze. It opens smoothly and locks into place securely, providing a stable surface for card games, puzzles, or even extra dining space. Number 2. Meco Stakmore Cherry Folding Card Table. This folding table features a distinctive scalloped edge. It adds a touch of timeless elegance, making it a standout piece for any gathering. Crafted from top-tier solid wood, this table boasts exceptional durability. It ensures long-lasting use for years to come. Whether it's game night or a holiday dinner, this table transforms any space. It's a welcoming hub for entertainment and socializing. The rich cherry-colored frame exudes warmth and sophistication. It enhances the beauty of any interior decor with its classic appeal. When not in use, simply fold it away for compact storage. This makes it perfect for smaller spaces or those who appreciate a clutter-free environment. What we like? This table features a unique scalloped edge design, adding a touch of elegance to any room. Crafted from solid wood, it's built to last, and its space-saving design makes it perfect for smaller spaces. If you like a touch of sophistication and need a table that's easy to store, this is a great choice. What people say. It arrived double-boxed and cushion-wrapped. The finish is smooth and the color rich, the underneath is stained too. The mechanism for the folding leg is metal and spring-loaded, so when you open it, it clicks into place, providing a very sturdy surface, and the legs release just as easily. Number 1. REDCAMP 34 Folding Card Table. This folding card table is made of environmentally friendly PP tabletop and 22 mm thicker steel tubes. It's very durable and can hold up to 165 pounds. You can count on it to last a long time. The table measures L34 x W34 x H28.5 when open and folds in half for easy storage. Weighing only 11 pounds, it's big enough for 4 people, and its compact size makes it easy to store in limited spaces. The bottom of this square card table features a sturdier honeycomb structure to prevent sinking. It also has anti-slip feet caps and a security lock, ensuring it remains stable during use. This fold-in-half card table sets up in seconds. It quickly folds out and includes a carry handle for easy transport. Cleaning the tabletop is simple with just a paper or cloth. This portable folding bridge table is perfect for parties, family gatherings, playing cards, and puzzles. It's also suitable for outdoor use on patios, lawns, and for events like trade shows and meetings. What we like? This table is made of durable material and features a convenient fold-in-half design for easy setup and storage. The carry handle makes it super portable. If you are looking for a table that's easy to transport and set up for indoor or outdoor use, consider this one. What people say. Great size for tailgates or mahjong. I bought this specifically for mahjong, but I love that it folds up, so it's easy to transport to tailgates. It's sturdy and the perfect size. The surface is a hard vinyl, so suitable for kids to color on, etc. The legs are easy to set up and take down. The table was exactly as advertised, sturdy and well-made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.